Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dear students, today we have coming to the end of our vowel sounds. Thank God we are going to finish the vowel sounds. Sorry, it has taken a lot of time, but today I'm thankful to God that I have finished. I'm going to finish these sounds. I again recapitulate the whole of sounds. Now I start. B-A-T. If there is no A, B-T can't be pronounced. A makes it bad, bad. Now I request the students to open your books so that you may make these words and it would add to your list of vocabulary. You have got a lot of words with sounds. This is B-A-T, bad, short sound. When we add E, B-A-T-E, it becomes bade. Again, when I B-A rather than T, it again becomes bade or B-A-Y, bay. Now listen again. Bad, fat, rat, mad, man, fan, ran. There are a lot of words having the short sound of A. Now, if I add E to the sound, it becomes longer sounds. Bad, bade, mad, made, man, main. If I use M-A-I-N, it again becomes main. There are two words having the same sounds, M-A-I-N and M-A-N-E. Main, what's the main gate of the building? And main, the lion has a heavy mane, गर्दन के बाल. और may, bay, gay, say, bay, way. There are so many sounds which and A-Y, A-Y. There are three words having the same sound. Bait, bait, bay. B-A-T-E, bait, B-A-I-T, bait, B-A-Y, bait, or short sound is bad. Now, E, B-E-T, bad. Make it double E, beginning B and ending T, and in the middle, B-double-E, it becomes bead, mead, deed, seed, greed, greed, all have double E in the middle. Then B-E-A-T, beat, मारना. बीट मैंने चकंदर और बीट मैंने मारना. सीट, S-E-A-T, बैठने की जगह. ब्लीड, B-L-E-A-T, ब्लीड होता है जैसे शीप, बीट, गोट, बीट, ममियाना जैसे बकरियां बोलती हैं. Third is I vowel between two consonants, sit. I add E, becomes side. And there is a new sound, S-I-G-H-T. Again it is side, G-H is mute, silent. Side, might, ride, flight. There are so many sounds. Single is, short is, S-I-T, B-I-T, M-I-T, so many sounds. E add side, I-G-H in the middle, side. So this is the case of I vowel, two sounds shorter and longer. Then I come to O, R-O-D, rod, G-O-D, God, G-O-D, God, R-O-D, rod. These are the short sounds of O. O comes between two consonants. And when I add E to the end, road, road, mode, M-O-D-E. The same is the case with road, R-O-A-D, sadak. Mode, M-O-A-T, mode. There is a canal around a city as a defensive canal. These are 8 sounds. A short sound, A long sound. E short sound, E long sound. I short sound, I long sound. O short sound, O long sound. Now I come to U. C-U-T, cut. B-U-T, bud. M-U-D, mud. R-U-D, rug. रग मैंने कालीन, मड मैंने कीचड़. इसी तरह ई लगा दो, एट द एंड इट वुड बिकम क्यूट, क्यूट बेबी, क्यूट गर्ल, प्यारी, लाडली, गोल मटोल. कट, क्यूट. डक, ड्यूक. इसी तरह ड्यू, D-U-E. फ्यू, F-E-W. न्यू, N-E-W. और क्यू, C-U-E. क्यू होता है जब आप खेलते हैं गेम और उसमें छड़ी होती है जिससे आप गेंद को मारते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड क्यू. और क्यू निशान भी होता है विच लीड ऑन टू द डिटेक्शन ऑफ ए क्राइम, क्यू. In the end, double O, book and boot. There is some confusion, I'll tell you. When it is boot, the symbol of this sound is U and I. U and I. U or two dots up and down. This would become boot, shoot, moon, fool, so many words. This is the end of 12 sounds. Now I come to my 5 other sounds. D-A-R-E, B-A-R-E, C-A-R-E, F-A-R-E, M-A-R-E, P-A-R-E. These would pronounce at dare, bear, care, fair, mare, pair. Dare होता है जुर्रत करना, D-A-R-E. How dare you open my letter? Bear, you can't walk on grass barefooted. Care, I care for you a lot. Fair, what is the bus fare from Okara to Lahore? He fared well in the examination. अच्छा नताज देने. Mare, mare मैंने घोड़ी, female of horse. Money makes the mare go. And then pair. Pair मैंने काटना, pair of your nails. Now, when I remove E, it becomes another sound of A. Bar, car, far, mar, par. This is another sound of A. A has got 4 sounds: bat, bait, bar, bear. So this is how we have come to the end of the vowel sounds. Now there are 3-4 sounds. F-I-R-E, fire. D-I-R-E, dire. Fire, the house is on fire. Dire, he threatened me with dire consequences. I am in dire need of money. These are dire, fire, bare, such sounds. Now, fair, F-A-R-E, or F-A-R-E or F-A-I-R. Both words have the same sound, but different meanings and different words. Now, if I count, A has got 4 sounds. E has got 2 sounds, and which sounds end on R, E, they are called murmur sounds. Bear, B-A-R-E, pair, P-A-R-E or P-A-I-R, pair मैंने जोड़ा और pair मैंने तराशना, pair of your nails, or pair, a pair of shoes. These are the sounds. The last sound is P-O-O-R, poor, poor. This is another sound. So we have come to the end of the sounds. Tomorrow I'll make you how there is a syllable, comprehensive, 4 syllables, important, 3 syllables, selfish, 2 syllables, and fish, 1 syllable. If a word consists of 1 syllables, it must have at least 1 vowel, like it, at, come, go, do, this, that. These are monosounds, monosyllables. And English words are many which are called monosyllables. These are the most in number. Second comes 2 syllables, 2 syllables. Selfish, compand, pretend, compose, depose, dispose, 2 syllables. Then we come to 4 syllables. We are called tetrasounds. Comprehensive, philosopher, selfishness. These are the sounds of 4 syllables. In total, there are 5 words. Polysyllable has 5 or more syllables. Comprehensible, philosophical, incomprehensible, unphilosophical. If the word has 5 or more syllables, it would be called polysyllables. If it had got 4 syllables, it would be called tetrasyllables. Comprehensive, comprehension, significant, philosopher. Then there is trisyllables, 3 syllables. Important, important. Comprehend, C-O-M-P-R-E-H-E-N-D. Selfishness, selfishness, 3. Then dissyllables, the words having 2 syllables. Selfish, compound, pretend, potent, polish, compose, dispose, depose, and the last one is monosyllables. There are words having 1 syllable, monosyllable, 2 syllables, dissyllables, 3 syllables, trisyllables, 4 syllables, tetrasyllables, and 5 and more polysyllables. So this is the end of the sounds, and next time we would start with the sentence, how sentences are made. Thank you very much. I hope you would enjoy this lecture, and in future I would make it more interesting, more significant, and more useful for you. This is how you can speak English, understand English, write English, and make others understand you. English, as you know, is the world language, the language which is used most of all in the world, though Arabic is the most comprehensive. Now, this is the end of today's lecture. We have ended the vowel sounds. If there are any defects or mistakes done anywhere, I will remove them tomorrow. God bless you. Khuda Hafiz.